You haven't written the code to generate the HTML yet, but if a product has already been added to the user's cart, then there will be a matching element which you'll need. Use the method getElementById to get the matching element. You'll be seeing the ID value. No, you'll be setting the ID value, pardon my French, to the value product count for ID and the ID of that product. So use a template literal to query that value. Assign your query to a current product count span variable. In this part, we write the const, and then the variable name would be the current product count span. And it is this part where we will be assigning document document and then interpolating the method get element by id. And since we are to use a template literal, we use the backticks instead of the double quotation or the single quotation. So backticks, and then we copy this part. Oops. So again, we are using the document and interpolating the method. So when we use document is that this document actually is the HTML part. This one. So when we use document and with the method interpolated with that document is actually we using the DOM document object model to manipulate the element and objects from HTML in order for us to manipulate it into our JavaScript. So that would be it. Nice.